Alrighty. Testing, 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 testing. Man, I wonder why it takes so long for it to actually go live on my phone.
Why are California homeowners outraged about Prop 33?
Because prices are way too high in California, that's why. Hey, it's you know, I figured I was like, oh, you know what? I'm just gonna go live like, but way before, so I can actually watch Vision. I don't like going live, like I never do, but I'm always in the live stream. Hey, can you look at OXT? Hey, can you look at OXT? So I figured I'd wake up early this morning, actually to get some other work done, but I'm gonna look at like I have to do all my watch list videos. So I figured we could go live. I could do all my watch list videos. That way I can edit them, and I could already go live, and then I could watch this live stream later. So yeah, what's up? Good morning. Happy Saturday to everyone. Let's go, Roy's Army. Wait, did you change your picture? Bro, that's so funny. You changed your profile picture. Dude, that is so funny. What's up, Parker? Oh, math is going, man. Hold on, let me open all these in a different tab because we're gonna look at all the watch list videos, and then I will look at your guys' coins in between, obviously. But give me a second. I have to do this. And before I start, obviously, I will look at your guys' videos. If you ain't got... Oh, I got some interesting news about Dogelon on Mars. Apparently, there was like 22 trillion that was feeded into the liquidity pool. I'm going to look into that. Oh my gosh, what? Congratulations to math, yo. That's crazy. Okay, so let me look at math for Peter Parker really quick. Yeah, so we're on our way back up to the previous high. So let's see. I don't know what we did. Unfortunately, these graphs don't save. Look, man, we are over here, so you got to do what's best for you. I'm not telling you what to do, but I wouldn't be surprised if we do get a cool off from the high to the low. We didn't quite break 71 cents. So, you know, this previous high would be next, and then I would put the target at the 618, followed by, 786 followed by all-time high. And then, again, you got to do what's best for you. This move was literally like almost a 3x. In terms of support goes, with any sort of pullback, it does need to hold this box. So keep in mind, if we do have a pullback, then this box at around 38 to 48 cents needs to hold. And then, 85 cents is next previous high. Once we break that, we're looking at the 786, followed by previous all-time high, and then we just have to redraw the targets at that point. But I'm going to tell you that if it does break below 38 cents, then we are probably going to get another sell-off like this, okay, where it goes all the way back down to the low. So, no financial advice, but you got to do what's best for you. But again, also, I'm like, it's super tricky because it's like I'm not telling you to sell, but if you don't sell, just understand that we can come back down to these lows over here. So, a lot of time these moves get invalidated if we don't break out things. Ooh, got my coffee. Let's go. Well, it's not really coffee. It's like the mushroom coffee. Yeah, so that's pretty much it with math. Again, congratulations. That's an easy 3x. So whoever bought the RSI oversold is up like 300% now. So congratulations. What's up, Majid? What's up, Craig C? What's up, Mario? LOL, it was Vision's card copium from 2 days ago. I'm going to change it when he finally mentions it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm curious when he does mention it, right? You guys need to check out Chonk on Solana. Dev is all about people. He's not going to dump bag. Thank you, boss. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, you're welcome. What's up, Eric? Just another live stream today. We're going to be looking at all the watch list coins because I need to make videos on them. And we're going to be doing. What does mushroom coffee do for you? It does absolutely nothing. It does absolutely nothing for you, but it's the healthier choice. So yeah, it's the healthier choice. So that's what it does. I'm still holding, looking for a break above 75 cents. Yeah, if it goes above 75 cents, 85 is the next resistance, which is this previous wick, and $1.39. And yeah, I hope you make it. But again, look, the RSI is literally like I don't think it's never been this high. The RSI has never been this high, so it is extremely overextended. However, again, it could keep flying, right? You can get something like this where you do get a sell-off, but the sell-off doesn't even take us to 38 cents. You know, you sell off, hit over the top resistance of the band, and then break them on out of here. So exactly, literally, like exactly. you already know. But hey, no, I mean, it's not bad. I feel like when you're in it, like you're like whatever, you know. It's not bad at all. It's fine. It's fine. We're just gonna leave the mushroom coffee alone. That, you know, that's fine. Today is 11 and 9 day, so it's emotional. Also good for crypto. Well, it's not. Hey man, if it's good for crypto, then why isn't my coin doing what Math did? Look at this. Look at this, man. Math's up 790%. It was at 6 cents and it's at 60 cents. That's a 10x. Look, hey Eric, if today's a good day for emotions, why isn't my coin doing that? 6 cents, same as Math, but it's at 7 cents now. Come on, send some positive energy to OXT, man. What's up, Flip Coins? How are you? You're always my first stop when it comes to graphs and resistance levels. So love your work. Yeah, of course. Again, we're going to keep it very simple here. Resistance, support. Resistance, support. So you have to decide whether you're going to sell at that resistance or if it's going to go to the next level. If you do that, then you're always going to be making money, right? And if you're always buying support levels, then you always have a chance to sell and make some money because we're always going to get bounces when the RSI is oversold, when we're on resistance, when we're on support levels, and all that. So I can't decide that for you. You have to do it on your own. But Eric, come on, send some positive energy to OXT because I need to see when the CEO was born and when the coin was founded. Oh yeah, I don't know. It's Stephen Waterhouse, Dr. Stephen Waterhouse. I don't know. Cybercurd for the 2. Thank you so much. Let me know if you need me to look at any coin. Thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate it. But yeah, let's get right into it. So Dogecoin is having a really good run. Let's look at Dogecoin, see if it's where it's headed. So taking a look at Dogecoin on the live stream. So we are getting some sort of bounce. We clearly broke out of this downtrend, but we could be forming another one. I'm not trying to be super bearish. From the high to the low, we are over the 382. So this is very bullish. I do put the next target at 18 cents, 22 cents, and then as far as support goes for Dogecoin, as long as we get a retracement, quote unquote, a healthy retracement, and it stays over 11 to 13 cents, we should be fine. So 11 to 77 to 12, like 13 cents is support. If we do have some sort of breakdown, this area does need to hold. And then these targets are live at 18 to 22 cents. Once that breaks, then we have to redraw our targets at that point. And keep in mind that this also is going to validate the uptrend that we're in. And we did break down out of this downtrend. So Dogecoin is bullish right now. It is attempting to make its run. So we just have to wait and see whether or not we break down, support holds, or the next level of resistance we get stuck. Because if we get stuck here, we can come back down and then form a bigger downtrend, right? So not financial advice, just my opinion. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. And then I can get rid of that. Shiba Inu's next. Let's look at the chat. We're almost there. Heck yeah, we're almost there. Not for my coin though, not for OXC. And Dogelon Mars. Yeah, we already said like Dogelon Mars. Unfortunately, it's still stuck. It's on over 15 to 18. We came back up we said literally we came back up 15 and then 15 and then we got rejected. So I don't know. It is just a waiting game though. Moonwell, please. Elixir wants Moonwell. Well, early stream. Whoa, just tuned in for a minute. Vision made a SHIB video this morning. I was shocked he is joining the SHIB pack. I think SHIB and Dogecoin are doing good and that those get views. So yes, 2017 founder. That's Rooster. So next year will be better for your coin. I hope so, because I really want to get out of crypto at the end of this year, but I am waiting first quarter of next year. But if it doesn't work out, then it doesn't work out. But we'll see. Thank you for looking at that. Let's see. Hi mate, can you look at Matt Fury and Kishu Inu? Yeah. So let me look at Moonwell. Okay, so let me look at Moonwell, Matt Fury, Kishu Inu, and yeah, let's look at that. So Moonwell. Taking a look at Moonwell for Alexio. Oh wow, I mean, this thing looks like it's, yeah, so previous high, next target is 8 cents. Super bullish. We broke over this over the 786. So we're looking at 8 cents. Price discovery up to 29 cents. In terms of support goes, it absolutely needs to hold. I'd say if with any sort of breakdown, the 23632 absolutely does need to hold for a continuation up. So keep in mind that this area does need to hold at 3 cents to 4 cents. As long as this area holds, the next target is valid at 8 cents to 28 cents. Not financial advice, just my opinion. So, yeah, pretty simple. If you're accumulating, I would personally wait until if it comes back down. And it is a gamble, because the thing is that the best thing we could do is just see how low it can go while still being bullish, right? So, like, if it comes back down this low, this is a risky time to buy. But this would also maximize your profits, because it would theoretically bounce from support, and then you would have, this position would be up, right? But also you got to take into consideration, if this support does break, then we are going to come back down to these lows, right? So not financial advice. But yeah, that's what I think about Moonwell. I hope that made sense. Matthew Dropco for 2 beans. Can you look at Pitbull PIT on BNB chain? Yeah. Thank you so much for the 2 beans. I really appreciate it. That's awesome. Pitbull on BNB chain. What is this? Oh, okay. So we were in a downtrend. Is this the right coin before I do it? Damn, look at that locked liquidity. Can you just confirm that this is the right chain? Hello, Big Red, where's Gear at? I don't know. Where's Gearhead at? BTC and Elon founded the same year of the Ox. So 2025, we are rich 200%. Let's go. I hope so. Paid in full, no car payment. Can we look at KeyCat? Yeah, give me a second. I need to do this. Okay, so Matthew Dropco, yes, this is the right coin. When did this coin come out? Okay, so 2021, we had a sell-off. We had a nice little bounce. This coin back up to its all-time high is around, let's see. It's around a 20x. I do like it because look, the market cap is 14 million and the liquidity is 7.1 million. Why is the liquidity 7.1 million dollars? That's like 50% of the market cap. So that's very interesting. It does have red issues, tax modifiable, yes. Ownership renounced, no. There's a buy tax, there's a sell tax. So just keep that in mind when you're buying this. Yeah, buy and sell. But I'm assuming this is one of the coins that when you buy and sell, it goes to liquidity, which explains why the liquidity is high. You can confirm that. But in terms of TA goes, nothing's bullish with Pitbull until we break the 236 on the macro time frame. And the 382. So we do have a lot of resistance on the way up. And we're going to save this graph for you so that next time we look at it, we can see exactly where it went. And then in terms of support goes, you can see there's no more support. We broke below the 786. So I would put the next area of support at around 902, which is the previous low. And if it doesn't double bottom here, because look, we broke out of this downtrend, we had a nice recovery, but we're coming back down, which gives me the idea that we're going to consolidate for a little bit before we go up. So if we break below 902, then 902, then the next area of support is all the way down here at the previous low. However, if we break over and get over resistance, I do put the next target at this previous wick, followed by the all-time high, and then from there we're just going to have to monitor it. So yeah, I'll save this graph for you. I hope that made sense. And yeah, that's all I got for pit. So that's a lot of information to work with. So now you know, okay, so next area, where should I theoretically sell if it goes to the resistance band? Should I risk it and wait to see if it goes double tops over here, and so on? So that's a lot of information for you. All right, can we look at KeyCat? Yes, it's renounced. Thank you. You're welcome. Can you take a look at Caspa? Yeah, but let me see. So I do have to, so I'll take a look at all that, but give me a second. I have to make my watch list videos in between me looking at people's coins. So that's the purpose of today's live stream, making my videos. Taking a look at Shiba Inu on the live stream. So we are getting some sort of bounce, just like Dogecoin. We are still in a downtrend. However, it looks like we're trying to break out. We are over the 382. So that is bullish as long as it stays over 4018. I do put the next target at this previous high. However, if we do break, yeah, so you can see the 236 also does coincide with the 382 from the high to the low. So at this point, if Shiba Inu doesn't hold this area of support with any sort of breakdown at around 4017 to 4018, then we are looking at coming back down for consolidation period. However, if it doesn't do that, and if we continue up and we stay over 4018, then the next target I do put it at is 4045, which is the previous wick. Not financial advice, just my opinion. I hope that made sense, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bam. All right, let's look at the chat. All right, KeyCats. Let's look at KeyCats. And I'm sorry if I missed your coin. You have to let me know if I did. KeyCats. Oh, keyboard cat. I have a graph drawn for you. Okay, so next target was tagged. We actually held support. Next target is 1 cent 20. So nothing has changed actually from the last time I drew this graph for you. No car payment. So you're looking at 2 zeros 26 to 2 zeros 38 being support, and then we did get stuck at 2 zeros 5. You can see we broke over, and then we quickly had a sell off, and now the price is under that point. So if we don't get a bounce from 26 to 38, then we are going to go back down. However, if we do, 1 cent 20 is still in play, and it technically is still in play right now. It's just that this resistance at 2 zeros 52 does need to break, right? So that's first resistance, second resistance, all-time high, and then you're looking at up to 14 cents. So nothing has changed. This graph is still valid. I hope that made sense. Can you take a look at Caspa? Did I miss a coin? Let me know if I missed a coin. Yeah, let me look at Caspa. Is it still like 11 cents? Is it still above 11 cents? Yeah, okay, so nothing has changed from the last time I made a video on Caspa, but because I like you, I will make another video on it. I don't even know. Actually, I've never even seen you in here. Have I seen you in here? Caspa. It's okay. It doesn't matter. Oh yeah, Craig C. Yeah, I do like you. I knew there's a reason why I said that. You're always in here. So from the high to the low, we have resistance at, yeah. So same graph as last time, and then 28 cents is when the previous high does break, Craig C. So when that breaks, the next area is going to be 28 cents resistance, and then support. Is it the 786? Yes, it is. So we have 786. So support at 11 cents 83 needs to hold. Otherwise, we are going to come back down to this low. But it is still bullish as long as we stay over 11 cents 83, because that is support. That is the last area of support that would also make it make a higher low, right? So you would still be maintaining this uptrend. Hey, there's a whole bunch of stuff coming in. Okay. And then let's see. Yeah, so we have resistance at 13 cents 47 to 14 cents 74. And then you're looking at, once that breaks, you're looking at 20 cents, the retest of the high, and then it's 28 cents from there. So that's what I think about Caspa. I hope that made sense. Very simple. I took profits on it back in late February when the whole market was up. Nice, good job. Then started adding back into after it fell with the rest of the market. Let's hope it goes back up. Yeah, 19 people watching, 6 likes. Hit the like button, peeps. It helps boost the video and algos. Yes, I can't wait until I have like 100 or 200 people in the live stream. That would be the day. Or maybe even 1,000. Imagine if I have like 1,000 people. I just feel like I need a cool setup. I need to have like lights in the back and like an actual chair, because I'm actually still sitting on a stool, so I kind of have to keep my back straight, so it doesn't hurt. But yeah, so anyway, thank you for that. I appreciate that. Yes, makes perfect sense. Thanks, man. You're welcome. Hi, mate. Matt Fury. That's right. Matt Fury. Do I have a graph for Matt Fury? I might have a graph for Matt Fury. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. So nothing has changed from my last graph with Matt Fury. You were probably the one that asked for it, but you can see that 5 zeros 36 to 5 zeros 47 did hold. Now we're getting a breakout. So you just got to be patient. 4 zeros 1 is next, which is going to be around another 67% pump. Keep in mind that is resistance, so we can't come back down. However, we're going to have to redraw the support at that level for a continuation up. As of right now, yeah, this area of support is still valid. And then you're looking at 401. Once that gets tagged, then we have to redraw this graph. But yeah, that's pretty much it for Matt Fury. And again, if you get like super bullish and if it goes absolutely parabolic, you're looking at 4018 and then the previous all-time high. And then from there, you're looking at 3033 being all-time high. So I even have a target drawn for you for there. So now financial advice, just my opinion. And then Kishu Inu, if you can. Yes, I can. Kishu Inu. And then I have to do another watch list video. So I don't have a graph draw for Kishu Inu. So yeah, we're in a downtrend right now. Nothing's bullish about it. So nothing's bullish with Kishu Inu until we break the macro 236. And then that does probably coincide with the, from the high to the low. Yeah, it does coincide with the short-term resistance, which is 903 to, let's just say, that area, given that my fibs aren't perfect every single time. So as long as it stays below this box, nothing's bullish. And then support, there is no more support. Oh wait, no, there is. Okay, so we didn't break under it. So last line of defense support for Kishu Inu is going to be around 9024. If that breaks, then previous low is next. So no financial advice, just my opinion. Crypto Meow, would you play used car? I'm probably going to rotate some into Myra or Billy and then back in. Thanks. Crypto Meow, how would you play used car? Well, that's a good question. Let's look at used car. So we're in support right now. That's the thing. I'm probably going to rotate some into Myro or Billy, then back in. Yeah, if you're going to rotate some, then theoretically, you're selling support right now. Let me look at the RSI. Yeah, RSI is kind of down here. So it's not oversold yet, but it is close. It is under the average. So I don't know if you're going to get some sort of bounce or at least a recovery. So maybe wait until we do something like this, where we come back up. And then I mean, again, this could actually break down. So just keep that in mind. But it's just at what point you're going to sell. The thing is, you're going to sell in the box, so you don't know if it's like this is it, and then we're going to like continue up, right? Because that can happen. But also this can happen where we come back down and go back down to 14. So if you're going to sell and if you're going to rotate to, which one is it, Billy or Myro? Let's see which one has more potential. So Myro stuck in resistance. That's not bad. It looks like it wants to have a breakout. So Myro is probably a good play. And then or Billy. I feel like Billy is a gamble play, right? Oh, Billy's really bullish actually. It's way over. It's 23 to 29. So, and it's a smaller market cap. So I would probably say Billy's the better play. Um, More of a gamble risk. And then if you're gonna sell now for a used car, I would probably wait. If you sell now, theoretically, probably wait until 14 to get back in. And if you don't get back in, then if you don't get back in at 14, then I would probably just wait. Like if it doesn't go back down to 14, then you don't sell everything, right? Because maybe if it doesn't go back to 14, then you're um, gonna get your position, your other position that you haven't sold is gonna be higher. But if you make more money on Billy, then theoretically you could buy back in, and it doesn't matter where it's at because you get more coins, right? So that's what I would say. I would say Billy's a pretty good play, but I also wouldn't sell everything with used car because we are in support right now. So, not financial advice. Dang, thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate that. Thank you. That's awesome. Wow. You always like giving big super chats, man. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Fool requested his old deck screener watch list. We are always bearish was the yeah, I know, seriously. And that's yeah. Profit bear, crypto man, I think Jesus is leading the pack. Can we see what the technical analysis says? Yeah, I just did Jesus coin actually last night. But I'll look at it again. I posted a video. So with the graph, nothing has changed. So we said that area support 6.016 to 6.019 needs to hold. As long as that holds, the next target is in play, which is 6.035. And you can see we came back down, actually smacked against the lower end of the channel, and then the lower band, and then we got a nice little bounce. Now we're over 19 again. So 6.035 is still in play, and then previous high. And then you're looking at up to 5.026, which as of right now is around a 10x, 11x, whatever, 12x. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so let me look at Jasmy. Taking a look at Jasmy coin, nothing has changed from the last video I made yesterday on the live stream. In terms of the macro targets for Jasmy, it looks like we're still over 38. So once we break the 0.5, I do put the next target at making a higher high at around 5 cents 60 area. And then in terms of support goes, again, there's, it does also coincide with 382, but worst case scenario, the next area of support is going to be around 1 cent 40, which does put us under the 382 on the macro time frame. But if we get some sort of bounce in a recovery bounce from 14, then 5 cents 58 is still valid. Not financial advice, just my opinion. And yeah, I mean, I'll just draw the 382 from the last video. But as long as we're over this 382, it's very, very, very bullish for Jasmy. So anyway, not financial advice, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. I have to make my watch list videos before not all of them, but again, I'm making my watch list videos and then I'm going to look at chat. So just FYI. Taking a look at ApeCoin on the live stream. So nothing has changed with ApeCoin on the macro perspective. Unfortunately, nothing's bullish until we break $1.22. And then on the shorter time frame, you can see we actually did come back up and smacked against the 382 and got rejected. We are over 69 cents, so 69 cents is the key area that needs to hold. As long as we hold 69 cents, you get consolidation, eventually break out of this downtrend, and then $1.29 is in play. However, keep in mind if 69 cents doesn't hold, then I do put the next target at the previous low, followed by if that doesn't hold and if that isn't the final bottom, you're looking at a bigger capitulation down and recording a lower low, an all-time low. Not financial advice, just my opinion. I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, let's look at chat. Please look at Boom. Oh, wait. Please look at Big Tom. Okay. Big Tom What is this? Gamble. Another gamble play. 175,000 market cap, 59,000 liquidity. That's not bad. I mean, what is this? From the low to the high. Yeah, you're looking at 100x back up to its all-time high. From the current position, you're looking at 25x to the all-time high, which just put the market cap still under like $5 million. So that's not too crazy to think that, but it is a gamble play. So we're over the 236. That is solid. The next area of resistance on the macro time frame is going to be around 661. So 6061. When that breaks, I do put the next target at the previous all-time high. But we do have resistance along the way. However, we'll calculate that once we do break the 382. And then as long as it stays over 6032, then you have a shot at the bottom. You have a continuation up, and 61061 is still in place. So that's what I think about Big Tom. And then let's look at Boom, and then let's look at another. I don't see Boom. Which Boom? Nice. Is this the right Boom? Or is it Boom Dow? I'm assuming it's the other Boom. Alrighty, you have like 5 seconds to respond, and then I'm looking at Terra. Boom on Mega? Okay, hold on. Oh, Boom of Maga. Okay, alright. This one. What is there to look at? This coin just came out. I can't look at this. Yeah, I can't look at this. Let me try to find something for you though. Yeah, this thing came out October 20th. It's not even October 20th. Oh, sorry, October 19th. Let's look at it on the hourly chart. Yeah, I mean, yeah, there's really nothing to look at, man. I can't really look at this. But again, this is a huge gamble play. There's no TA on it. So, yeah, so let's look at Terra. Taking a look at Terra Classic Lunk on the live stream. Unfortunately, the price is super suppressed right now on the macro time frame for Lunk. We are still under the 236, so nothing's bullish until we break the macro 236 at around 4094. And then in terms of support goes, there is no more support for Lunk. We clearly broke down below the 786, which was the last line of defense. So we are looking at, if it does break down, the next area of support is 405. Now it might not hit that low, but again, we just don't know how low it's going to go before it reverses, unfortunately. But as long as we know that the next area of support is 405, theoretically, that's a huge gamble play given that you're going to dollar cost average down, because that could be a double or triple bottom, and then we can start moving up from there. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Oh, Turbo. I need to look at Turbo, but I actually have I actually have the video on. Sorry, I have a graph on Turbo. So, yeah. Can you look at JD Vance? Yes, and then can I look at how's others looking? I don't know. Let me look at others. Oh wait, what am I doing? I actually typed in others. Dude, if it breaks down, we're screwed. And I call me bearish, but I just feel like we're about to get a breakdown and we're gonna validate this downtrend. We've been making lower highs, and I don't mean to be bearish, and I know that's not gonna get me views, but I don't care because I have a lot of money in the market, and I don't care. I'm probably losing a lot, unless like obviously they're like, I'm not saying like I've more money than some people in the chat in the market. I'm just saying like this is like I'm screwed basically if this thing falls off the table, and it sucks. It would just be the cherry on top. Yeah, like this isn't good. This is not good at all. Yeah, so last line of defense, 214 billion for altcoins. If this breaks, then we're going to get a bigger capitulation down, and we're going to validate this downtrend that we're in. So yeah, Gearhead, it's not looking good, basically. And mostly because like it never really came back up for a double top at least, and consolidation followed by a breakout. Unfortunately, we started going back down when we made a lower high, right? So that's not good at all. And then let me look at JD Vance before I look at the next. Oh, wait, no, I need to look at Turbo. Yeah, I need to look at Turbo. So taking a look at Turbo on the live stream. So actually, I have Turbo on CoinMarketCap, but I forgot that I actually have a saved graph on Dex Screener. So we're going to start looking at it on Dex Screener, and then we could always look at the market cap and all the other information. Even though it has it on here, we can still look at the other information on CoinMarketCap. But taking a look at Turbo, as long as it stays over this box, which this graph is still valid from the last time I made an update video, 2 zeros 85 to 1 cent needs to absolutely hold. And then as long as that holds, then we are looking at 2 cents for an all-time high. However, if 208 does break on, which is the lower part of the band, then we are going to go back down and capitulate a little bit. Yeah, and basically capitulate. That's what I'm trying to say. And at that point, 204 does need to hold. But we don't need to worry about that right now because it is over support and our target is still valid at 2 cents. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let me X out of this. Okay. Yeah, we waited 3 years. No, I know. Like in Gearhead, call me crazy, but look at this, man. Like, look at tell me that this doesn't remind you of the 2021 bull run, right? So we go up and then like everyone's in disbelief and then we come all the way back down. We go up in 2024 and then like we're coming all the way back down. So we actually might have just missed it. Like our coins just didn't go up, right? That actually might be the case because look at this graph for Maker and then look at XLM. And look at XRP. So from the high, you can see this is what happened last time, right? I mean, it didn't even move this time. I would be happy if it moved a little bit. But look at Bitcoin Cash. Like the old, like it did have a nice little hill. Yeah, exactly. Look. So big hill, smaller hill, and then a smaller hill here. Like what if this was the bull run? And I always think about that. I'm like, wow, I guess I was just actually holding duds like this bull run. But at this point I'm too deep in. So it's just a do or die, and you know we're just gonna ride it until 2025. And if I don't make it, then I don't make it. But if I do make it, then I'll really make it, right? So next year's it. That's it. I know we've been waiting 3 years. In about a year, you're gonna be like, we waited 4 years for this. But yeah, not good at all. I feel the pain, man. Trust me, I feel the pain. It's really bad. Let's see. Can you look at JD Vance? Oh yeah, that's right, JD Vance. Oh, we already have a graph drawn for this. Okay, so JD Vance, I need to redraw the graph because it looks like we broke out. So for JD Vance, we said that as long as it holds 5046 to 5054, the next target of 5073 is in play. Clearly, you can see it's been a while since I probably made an update on this because of where the box is at. But unless this is a new coin, yeah, this is relatively new coin. So all of this held. So again, next target is going to be on the macro target time frame 4096. Previous high. At this point, I do need to redraw these targets for you. So, and this is exactly why we have these targets, because look, we're stuck at the 0.5, but we're over it. So next target is retest 618, 786, and previous all-time high. In terms of support goes, 236,382 as of right now absolutely does need to hold for a continuation up. We would have drawn the same thing here, where from the low to the high, 236,382 did held. we probably came back down and tagged the lower end of the band, and then we started going up. So same concept here. With any sort of sell-off, if this doesn't continue, 5 zeros 89 to 4 zeros 12 does need to hold. The next target is the retest of the 618 at 4 zeros 2, and then you're looking at 4 zeros 4, which is that of its own is 100%, and then you're looking at another 100% from there at 4 zeros 9 for all-time high. Once that breaks, we're just gonna have to, I'll redraw the targets at that point. We don't need to worry about that right now. Okay, my cat's not supposed to be on the pooper because when if it actually it has a good security measure. Hey, what's up, Buggy? This is a girl. I just got distracted really hard, huh? Do I have an all? Oh yeah, I do have an all-time high. So if it does break the previous high at around 4 zeros 96, you're looking at 2 zeros 12 being the next all-time high up to that point. And yeah, that's what I think about JD Vance. I hope that made sense. I looked at others, think Matt's ready to roll over $1. I just looked at math earlier. Speaking of current action, yes, trends and 4-year cycle stuff. But the U.S. and global news has always temporarily affect, yeah. And it's not going to be good if like we have World War III, right? Can you look at Omikami? Yes, I can. Vision dropped his Doge video, so that means his live is coming up quick. Yeah, that sucks because I wanted to do this before. Yeah, so let me. I wanted to do this before, so he doesn't. So I actually get to go see his live. But if he goes live, then yeah, I'm probably. Well, I need to finish this. So, taking a look at Digibyte on the live stream. Nothing is bullish with Digibyte on the macro perspective until we break 1 cent 20. Unfortunately, that's long ways away. In terms of shorter term resistance goes, you're looking at resistance all the way. Yeah, I mean this thing's all the way at its all-time low. So unfortunately, there's nothing new, no new news for Digibyte. As long as it's under this box, then at around 207 to 209, nothing is bullish, and we do have to look on the floor and hope that this is the bottom for Digibyte. And if this isn't the floor at around 2058, then you are looking at a capitulation down and making an all-time low. Not financial advice, just my opinion. I hope next week, we look at it and it's at least into resistance. But again, there's really nothing new and nothing exciting for Digibyte as of right now. Not financial advice, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Taking a look at Spell Token on the live stream. Nothing has changed. I think I made a video yesterday on Spell Token, but nothing has changed with Spell Token. Unfortunately, we are still under the macro 236 at 309, and then in terms of the shorter time frame goes, we are in resistance on the shorter time frame. However, if we don't break over the top end of this band at around 3073, you are looking at retesting 305, and unfortunately there is no more support for Spell Token, and the next area of support is going to be the all-time lows around here. So how low is it going to go before we bounce? I have no idea. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, that's done. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more coins to do. All right, let's look at the chat really quick. Can you look at Omikami? Yes, I'll look at Omikami for you. I actually have a graph for Omikami, so. Amaterasu. I don't know if I said that right. Yeah. So, taking a look at Omikami on the live stream. So, we got over the box. The box is resistance. However, we got rejected, and now we're back in the box. So as long as we stay over 2 cents, we do have a continuation up, and 4.5 cents is in play. However, if 2 cents does break, then you are looking at a bigger capitulation down, which is going to get you close to the previous wick around 1 cent. And if it doesn't bounce from there and then consolidate, then you are looking at making a lower low on the bigger time frame. At that point, we'll just have to make another update video for you. And as long as, however, right now, as long as it stays over 2 cents, we have a shot at a continuation up to 4.5 cents. So we'll just leave it at that. No financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. I don't know why I made a video on it, but apparently I'm going to post a video on Maniki on Omikami. So congratulations. Vision. Oh no, I read that you made. Yes, you made some good points. The indicators that is telling me that we might have a leg up is the exhaustion in the RSI. Yeah, you're right. Look, like this sucks. I mean, if I missed it again, like how is it possible that I missed it again? Like it's like it's so crazy that like something new, like no one would have saw this coming. Like Solana meme coins. Like who would have thought this, like this bull run Solana was gonna be the coin. Like Solana was gonna be the chosen one, and then those coins are gonna go up like 1,000%, 2,000%, right? So unfortunately, we just missed it. We were so focused on what the current coins were that when that launched, it was like, yeah, man, no one's gonna buy that. Like what? Phantom wallet? Like no one's gonna buy that. And then unfortunately, those are the real money makers this bull run. But yeah, like if you look at the RSI for Bitcoin, look at this. We're like all like the daily RSI is all the way here. And if we don't get this, like my biggest concern is if we don't get this and if we don't go in the green again and then make that higher high up to 100,000, then it's not going to happen. We're going to come back down. We're going to capitulate, and then basically the bear market's going to start, right? That's my theory. I hope that doesn't happen, but when I'm looking at the RSI here, it's like really becoming pressure and stressful because it's like, is this it? Like, are we going to go in the green? Are we going to make that higher high, which puts us at around 96,000, so like 100,000? Or is this going to be another capitulation down, and then we just have to wait that we reverse from there, right? But I mean, I'm hoping it's not this, obviously. Otherwise, I would, if I knew it was that, I would just take my money out and be like, you know what, peace. Obviously, I'm still in, so I'm waiting to see what happens. But if we do get another capitulation down, I don't know, like that would absolutely, if our coins don't get recovery, like a recovery bounce, like how much lower can this coin go? You know, how much lower can this coin go, and how much lower can this coin go? And I don't know what you're holding, but like, you know, for people that like, how much lower can this go? We're already basically at the recent lows. But then again, if you're holding a coin like Jasmy, for example, then you should be fine because you're still up like, you know, 5x, right? So for people that are in these coins, like, oh, you're not even worried about being at the all-time low because you're still up. So you can risk, you know, you could risk that next capitulation down, and you won't feel as bad, and you won't actually lose money out of your pocket. But for people like me, where my coins unfortunately never had a recovery bounce, that's what's scary. So anyway, let's see. Can you please look at Muse and Index? Yes. Hey man. Oh, he may not go live. Yeah, he may not go. Vision doesn't control how fast his videos upload per se. I didn't realize that it wasn't super instant, so he could have cut them and begun upload early this morning. So he may not go after 12. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping. Oh, that's 9 a.m. my time though. Can you please? Okay, let me look at Muse. Let me know if I missed any coins. So I'll look at Muse and Index in a second. I need to look at the next watch list coin. Taking a look at Helium Mobile on the live stream. So nothing has really changed from the last video. Unfortunately, we are still in this horrible downtrend. So from the high to the low, nothing's bullish until we break the 236 on the macro time frame, which is around 2014. And then on the shorter time frame, you're looking at resistance. So basically, we have resistance all the way up to the 236. So you're looking at resistance at 2011 to 2012. And unfortunately, with a coin like this is, you know, we're at the all-time lows, or not all-time lows, but we're at the recent lows. And you can see the next area of support is all the way down here at 306. So unfortunately, we can't come back up, and everyone could be bullish, kind of like what happened here, where we went up like 100%, and then we still capitulated and made a lower low. So just keep that in mind. That means that we can come all the way back up to the higher end of the band at 2012 and still capitulate. And 306 is somewhere that we could theoretically land. So as long as you know that, then that kind of helps you with dollar cost averaging down and better managing your portfolio. Now, financial advice, just my opinion. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Taking a look at Doge on Mars on the live stream. So although we always looked at Doge on Mars on CoinMarketCap, I actually have Doge on Mars the graph saved on the on Dex Screener, so we can't actually look at it here. And as you can see, based on my last graph, nothing is bullish with Doge on Mars until we break 6 zeros 15 to 6 zeros 18. You can see we actually came up and tagged it twice and still got rejected. Unfortunately, the next area of support for Doge on Mars, if the previous low down here isn't support, we're looking at around 7 zeros 97. So we're actually looking at adding a zero with the big capitulation down. However, if that doesn't happen, and once we break over resistance, I do put the next target at around the previous wick, which is 6 zeros 4. Now, financial advice, just my opinion. Also, keep in mind that there's a gentleman that brought to my attention that there is a wallet that put a lot of money into the liquidity pool for Doge on Mars. And it's very interesting because if you look at it, like if you, let's see, yeah, like 2 days ago, 4 days ago, someone literally transferred $22 trillion into the Uniswap DAO-Elon pairing. So that's very, very, very bullish. You could see this on the Etherscan, but also you could see it here where our liquidity did kind of go up, right? So we're at $11 million liquidity to $77 million market cap, and this is just one pairing, right? There are other pairings of Doge on Mars too. So if you actually add up like we used to do the liquidity for Doge on Mars, you're looking at liquidity 11 million, liquidity 143,000, liquidity 7.6 million, liquidity 10 million. So you're looking at like a lot of different liquidity pools for Doge on Mars. So don't get deceived with just seeing 11.1 million. That's just Elon wrapped Ethereum liquidity pool on Uniswap. So I hope that made sense. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alrighty, so that's done. Doge on Mars is done. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more coins to do, and then whatever coins you want me to look at. Oh, Muse and Index. All right. Let's. Oh wait, no, I can't do it here. I have to do it here. There we go. Muse. Oh, this is the super low market cap coin on Coinbase, huh? Taking a look at Muse for Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Yeah, so unfortunately we're basically all the way back down to the lows. As long as, did we break the 786? No. So last line of defense and the last area of support for Muse is going to be around $5.85. For whatever reason, if 585 doesn't hold, we are potentially looking at retesting this previous low and this previous bottom for possibly a double bottom followed by continuation up. But like everything, if we do actually get here, there's always a risk of capitulation and making all-time lows. So keep that in mind. And then in terms of resistance goes for Muse, nothing's bullish until we break this box. So until we break $8.43 to $10, that is resistance for Muse. So once we break that, we can look at the next targets on the way up. However, as of right now, we don't need to worry about that because we should focus on the next area of support at 585. And then the next coin you wanted is Index. Oh, I used to make videos on Index, I think. So taking a look at Index. Taking a look at Index Cooperative. Yeah, so, I guess this isn't bad, right? Yeah, so we need to break $3.15. Once that breaks, you're probably going to go back up to around 861. If we'll redraw the targets at that point. But look, from the low to the high, 618 is crucial support, which we actually wicked under but closed over. So for whatever reason, if we break below $1.95, then we are going to go back down. $1.95 is the next area of support. 315 does need a break, which does put us on the trajectory for 861. There's obviously resistance in between, and we'll monitor it once 315 does break, meaning once it closes over this and consolidates over this level. But until then, these targets are the only ones that you should really focus on. Not financial advice. I hope that made sense. You're welcome, Franklin. I have a friend who was a coworker. His name was Franklin. I told him to come to my live streams, but he never did. So seeing your name makes me think of him, and makes me think about if like maybe you're gonna be the Franklin that I know. So it makes me feel better. Another thing is that if we keep going up slowly, some alts will just keep going sideways. Yeah. That's exactly what happened with OXT. Like for example, and the reason why I mention this is because it's such a good comparison, because you could take this and kind of this concept and then apply it to like other coins, right? So if you look at the yearly on OXT, and then if you compare with Bitcoin, look, you could see that like Bitcoin, so they kind of went up at the same time, right? Everything was good, but then Bitcoin's consolidating, and then you have OXT over here just dropping massively. And then also another thing that you could look at is the OXT, like OXT meaning your coin in the BTC pairing. And then if you do that, then you can kind of see, oh wow, my coin is actually losing value. Look at this, is horrible. My coin is actually losing value relative to Bitcoin. So basically, I'm holding a dud. So I hope that you guys aren't. But if this isn't the bottom, which I thought over here was, then we're not looking so hot with OXT. So, bro, can you please look at VARC on base, please? Can you check Neon EVM? I just made a video on Neon EVM actually, but I'll make another video for you. But I need to look at some watch list videos. So give me a second. Taking a look at Goldfinch on the live stream. So nothing has changed based on my last video last week. Unfortunately, we are still under resistance for Goldfinch. So as long as we're under this box, then nothing is bullish. Once this box breaks, I do put the next target at the previous wick at 620. In terms of support goes, we are looking at the 786 being the last line of defense. So worst case scenario, $1.48 absolutely does need to hold. If it doesn't, then we are going to get a bigger capitulation down. However, if we do get a reversal and a continuation up, it needs to be now, and we need to get over $2.05 at least, and then maybe consolidate between 205 and 256, because that is resistance. And then once 256 does break, then we are looking at up to 620 again. And then once that breaks, you're looking at previous high and then all-time highs. Now financial advice, just my opinion, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Taking a look at Pangolin on the live stream. So nothing has changed, unfortunately, with this coin either. Unfortunately, we are still in resistance, which isn't bad because some coins are under resistance. So as long as we're under this box, I mean, I'd rather be in it than under it. So as long as it's over 23 or 24 to 28, 29 cents, I think I drew my fib a little bit different this time. But again, the targets still haven't changed. We are looking at a possibility of a capitulation down to 18, 17 cents, which actually happened before, but we had a nice little recovery. Once 23 to 28, 29 cents does break, we are looking at the retest of the previous wick at 81 cents. And then from there, we're looking at around $1.32, which is the 786 from the high to the low. Now financial advice, just my opinion. Again, it's pretty boring. It's just consolidating sideways. So we just really have to wait to see what it decides to do. Again, not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Oh, Billy, I needed to make a video on Billy. Dang, okay. Let's look at the chat, see what's going on. Hello, bro. What's up, Semoga? Damn, we are getting old. I remember Buffy the Vampire. I remember it too. Oh, SpongeBob. I never watched SpongeBob. I was never into, like, I don't even know if that was my time or not. Was it my time? Oh, yeah, no, I never watched it. I watched Tom and Jerry. I remember Tom and Jerry. That was pretty good. Hello, bro. Why not? I know, right? Right, Franklin? Bro, could you please look at... Oh, yeah, okay. So I'll look at Varcon Base. Can you look at Neon EVM, Dogecoin, Apu? Dang, what's this November 17th thing? People are saying Bitcoin is going up 100K. Not sure if that's true. People say anything, so just be careful. All right, let's look at Apu for this guy who has 5 million Apu. So oh, I actually have a graph drawn, so most likely you were the one that asked for it. So taking a look at Apu for J-Way, so clearly our box held, and we are in our next target. So this graph was previously saved, obviously. So 3 zeros 39 and 3 zeros 5 held. Our target is still valid up to 2 zeros 12. So let's redraw the areas of support as of right now for this continuation up. Yeah, so you're looking at with any sort of breakdown, this box does need to hold at around 305 to 307. Congratulations, because last time I drew that we were down here, so you're up like 5x right now. So yeah, so you asked, yeah, you got it since 0001. So you were the one that asked for this, and that's why I drew the graph. So you're up 5x. So congratulations, man. That's really awesome. So as long as this holds 3 zeros 52 to 3 zeros 73, again, next target's 2 zeros 12. Previous high, once that breaks, you're looking at price discovery up to 2 zeros 43. So not financial advice, just my opinion. And yeah, congratulations, you're up 5x. So I wish I was up 5x. But the thing is that I kind of want that one green candle that takes me up. I don't want to have to think about having to sell or buy or, you know, do all that stuff. So unfortunately. And then we need to look at Billy, actually, because I need to make a video on Billy. Taking a look at Billy on the live stream. So it looks like we are holding support at 2 cents 30 to 2 cents 2 cents 93. And then the next area and the next target is still valid at 8 cents. That is the next area of resistance. Once that breaks, we're looking at 12 cents 95 and then previous all-time high. And then once that breaks, we're looking at up to $1.23. We'll keep you monitored. So far, so good with Billy. Once 8 cents does get tagged, we will redraw the areas of support and crucial areas that Billy absolutely needs to hold. No financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let's see. All right, so Billy's done. Everyone's saying math. I just did a video on math, but yeah, this thing's going parabolic. But remember what I said, guys. Look at this. Be careful. We might get a sell-off. It is in the green. Do you see that? Look at this. It's never been this high. So just keep in mind, what did I say? Yeah, so 38 to 48 cents area support absolutely needs to hold for any sort of continuation up. So if you have the heart to hold that and gamble it, then good for you. But again, 38 to 48 cents absolutely needs to hold. So not financial advice. Taking a look at Onyx Coin, XCN on the live stream. So nothing unfortunately has changed since the video I made last Saturday. And unfortunately, we are still consolidating sideways. Nothing is bullish on the shorter time frame until we break this area of resistance, which is 2 zeros 14 to 2 zeros 17. And then in terms of areas of support go, you're looking at the 786 at 2 zeros 1 being the last line of defense. As long as we capitulate, or as long as we break down and 2 zeros 1 does hold, then you're looking at possibly a bottom, followed by continuation up to that valid target at that point, which would still be resistance at 2 zeros 14 to 2 zeros 17. However, if 2 zeros 1 does break down, then we are looking at previous all-time lows. No financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alrighty. What else? Oh, I would say buy CSI 888. What is that? What a gamble coin. What is this? Oh, you asked for this already. Yeah, so CSI 888, I already have a graph. I think you were the one asked for it. So as long as it stays over 2 zeros 11, we're solid. Next area of resistance that it needs to break is 2 zeros 29 to 2 zeros 42. Once that breaks, you're looking at previous high at around 1 cent 60, and then price discovery up to around 7 cents, which as of today is going to be around a 30x, which just with the market cap at around still under $50 million. So yeah, that's a huge gamble play. Good luck. Basically, that's what it is, man. It's a huge gamble play. I mean, this coin just came out the 3rd of October, so good luck. I hope you make it. I hope at least one of us makes it, right? Taking a look at Green Satoshi Token, GSC, on the live stream. Unfortunately, nothing has changed from last week's video. On the macro perspective, same old, same old. Nothing's bullish until we break 4 cents. There is no bull run for GST. In terms of the short term goes, we do have resistance all the way up, but we have resistance between 1 cent 8 and 2 cent 60. Unfortunately, what happens when these coins are at the all-time low, you have a lot of resistance. You have resistance 1 cent 80, 2 cent 60, and then macro 4 cents. So unfortunately, that's not looking so good. And then in terms of support goes, there is no more support. If this isn't the low, the next area of support is going to be the previous all-time low at 208. So just keep that in mind. Not financial advice, just my opinion. I will keep you guys updated, and I will catch you guys in the next live stream. Oh man, I said in the next live stream. Damn. I will catch you guys in the next video, not live stream. Horrible. It's because I'm live streaming, that's why. Taking a look at Shapeshift Fox on the live stream. So nothing unfortunately has changed from my last video. On the macro perspective, nothing's bullish with Shapeshift until we break 4 cents 80. And then in terms of support goes, or sorry, resistance go, 4 cents 70 to 6 cents is the short-term resistance, which does actually coincide with the 236 from the high to the low. In terms of support goes, nothing has changed from the last area of support, which is around 2 cents 80, or 3 cents, right? It would be 3 cents. Yeah, so around 3 cents. So that is the last line of defense. If 3 cents for whatever reason doesn't hold, then we are going to capitulate and probably go back and retest the all-time lows. However, if it does, then we should be fine. If it does bounce from there, then again, the target at 4 cents to 6 cents is still valid. Not financial advice, just my opinion. I'll keep you guys updated, and then I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you, and have a great day. Yeah, sorry, man. I thank you for keep asking. I'm getting a lot of comments. So taking a look at VARC on base. Oh, this is like another gamble play, huh? Is this the right VARC? Can you let me know if this is the right VARC? Let me know if this is the right VARC, and then in the meantime, I'll do another video on SwiftCoin. This is my last watch list video, so just FYI, and then we could look at the chat's coins. But if you let me know in the next like 5 seconds, I can look at it. But I mean, there's like barely anything I can do with this coin. All right, L-Dog, you have like 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. You know what? I'm just going to say that it is the right coin. So, taking a look at VARC on base, I mean, yeah, so as long as it stays over this box, we should have a continuation up, kind of like what happened before. L-Dog, this is the right coin, right? Dang. Did he leave? He probably left. But it's okay. Unfortunately, yeah, there's like nothing I can do. This coin is literally brand new. So, I mean, As long as it holds 2 cents 30, or sorry, 0023 to 0034, continuation up to 007 is in play. However, if it does break below 0023, which is the lower end of the band, then we are looking at a bigger capitulation down. But yeah, I mean, you're up 10x already from this position. I don't know where you got in, but you're looking at 4.5 million market cap and 191,000 liquidity, so that's not bad. Yeah, LDOG, this is the right coin. So this is these are the right targets. I hope you got that. So, and let me know if you're confused about anything. But this is like literally, this coin is so new. It came out in April. It's just been like falling, and then now we're getting a nice slow recovery. This is like such a common trend where we basically just like we're in this downtrend and then we break out. I need one of those coins. Alrighty. Swiftcoin. Taking a look at Swiftcoin on the live stream. So unfortunately, nothing has changed from my last update video that I did on Saturday, so 7 days ago. From the high to the low, we are still under resistance. So as long as we stay under resistance, nothing is bullish with Swiftcoin. And then in terms of support goes, like we said last time, 23 is the last area of support. Actually, it's not the last area of support, but it needs to hold over 23. Otherwise, we're gonna have to draw our fib a different way and look at the next area of support. But it won't look. It's not good if it does. If it doesn't hold. Once 32 to 0032 to 0038 breaks, you're looking at the previous wick around 0085 being the next target, and then from there, I think it's around 2 cents. Hold on, let me see. Wait, was it 1 cent or 2 or 1.5 cent? What was it? Oh, 2 cents. Yeah. So 2 cents is in place. So, but again, none of this is bullish until we break this resistance at 2032 to 2038. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, guys, I did all my watch list videos, and I even included Maniki. So let's go, Sanjeevan. What's up, Sanjeevan? How are you? Thank you so much for the super chat, man. I really appreciate it. Can you check on PNG? I just did PNG video, but I'll do it again. BitDAO and Spell Token. And what days do you come live? So I come live Mondays, Thursdays, and then like I went live last night, but that was like on a whim because I needed to make video updates. But my for sure dates are Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So those are the days that I come live. But on weekdays, it's after work, so it has to be after 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And then on Saturdays, it's going to be in the mornings moving forward because I am getting a lot of engagement. So I'm going to start coming on in the morning, doing all my watch list videos, and then we can hang out and look at your guys' coins. But anyway, let's look at your coins. So PNG. So unfortunately, nothing. Yeah, nothing changed with Pangolin, unfortunately. We're still in resistance. So for Pangolin, nothing's bullish until we break over the 236382, which is around 23 to 30 cents. 23 to 30 cents. Once this breaks, I do expect, it's been compressed so much, I do expect a big move up. The next target is going to be this previous wick at 81 cents. In terms of support goes, you're looking at, what was it, like 18 cents? Yeah, so like 17, 18 cents being the, 17, 18 cents being the next area of support if, unfortunately, 23 cents doesn't hold. So, yeah, that's what I think about Pangolin. And let's look at the RSI, see if there's anything that we can spot. Yeah, so we are like a little bit lower than average, so like we are kind of oversold. I wouldn't say we're red oversold, but we are, anytime it's under here, that means, that gives me a better feeling about a continuation up, because it does give us room for buyers to come in and push the RSI up. So you're not necessarily overbought and you're not worried about a sell-off, right? But we can't always have a sell-off and go in the red. That's when 17, 18 cents support absolutely needs to hold. So that's what I think about PNG. Let's look at BitDAO. So taking a look at BitDAO, what is this? BitDAO has migrated to on Mantle. So did this coin change? It looks like this coin changed to MNT. So let me know, Sanjeevan. Taking a look at BitDAO. Yeah, so same with this coin. Unfortunately, it's under its 236382. So nothing's bullish until we break and stay over $1.03 to $1.38 range. And then areas of support for BitDAO, the last area of support is going to be around 54 cents. Not financial advice, just my opinion. With any sort of capitulation, if this isn't the bottom, it's going to land you at 54 cents. However, we can come back up to $1.38, which is the higher side of that band, and still be bearish. So not financial advice, just my opinion. And then the last one was Spell Token. I actually made a video on Spell Token too, so you can actually go. I'm going to post it after the live stream. So taking a look at Spell Token, unfortunately nothing's bullish on the macro time frame with Spell Token until we break the 236 area of resistance. Unfortunately, that's just what happens when we're at the all-time low. We have resistance the entire way up, and then we have resistance on the shorter time frame, which actually we're stuck in. So we're not super bearish, but we have resistance and we're in resistance right now. In terms of support goes, Spell Token doesn't have any more support. So with any sort of breakdown, unfortunately, we don't know how low it can go, but we do know that the next area of support is going to be the previous low at 3034. So if it actually does break under the 236, which is technically over right now, so it is semi-bullish on the shorter time frame. If that breaks, then you are looking at 3034 being the next target on the way down in terms of support goes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Once 307 breaks, you're looking at 309, and then from there, we have a shot at a bottom, and hopefully Spell Token goes parabolic and goes back up to previous highs, which is around 100x from the previous from the all-time lows, right? Yeah, it's 80x. So it's a huge gamble play, but I think hopefully I think it'll go back up. If not all the way back up to all-time high, maybe at least like the 786618, right? Yeah, 0.005 and 1 cent. So anyway, I'll keep you updated on it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for Spell Token. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll try to help you out. ORDS might be one of those coins. ORDS swaps BTC into ERC. Could be a major player once BTC holders start playing, making transfer ETH coins. Do you think this is possible? I don't know. I have no idea, but let's look at what ORDS is. You're talking about this coin? I mean, this coin doesn't look too good. This coin doesn't look good at all in terms of TA goes. Yeah, we're all the way at the bottom, and we just had a massive sell-off. So what is this? From the high to the low, nothing's bullish with ORDS until we break 207. And there is no more support. The support is going to be this previous low. And then in terms of short-term resistance goes, you're looking at 204 to 206 being areas of support, or sorry, areas of resistance. So meaning we can come back up and still basically fall off the table. Why did it take a major dump? Like, what happened? Did it get delisted or something? Yeah, I don't know. Alright guys, how long have I been live streaming? So more than an hour ago. Okay, so alright guys, well, hold on, let me see something. Okay, Vision isn't live yet, so that's good. Dang, there's so many coming in. So many programs. Okay. Okay, hey guys, I'm gonna go use the restroom really quick. So let me know if there's any other coins you're gonna look at, and when I come back, I'll look at those coins, and then we'll call it a live stream and wait until Vision gets live, and then I'll go watch his live stream. So, yeah, let me know what coins you guys want me to look at. Hi, Chester. What are you peeing in the mirror? He's contemplating life. ready. All right, so Moonwell. I already looked at Moonwell, and then Dogecoin. Wait, are you trolling? Are you saying Dogecoin or Dogecoin? All right, I'll take a look at Pooh, like Winnie the Pooh. Taking a look at Pooh for J-Way. What is this? 8 million market cap, 1 million liquidity, not bad market cap to liquidity ratio. You have check marks across the board, so that's not bad. This is on the daily from the high to the low. We came all the way to the 786, got rejected. Now we're basically going back down. We did bounce from the macro 382, so that is bullish, and we're attempting to break out right now. So, okay. All up to speed on Pooh. So unfortunately, we are still... I mean, I'll look at Moonwell again for you, but I already looked at it, but I'll look at it again because I got you. So we are in resistance right now for Pooh. Once that breaks, we are looking at retesting this high, and then we're looking at all-time highs once this previous high does break. In terms of support goes, 786 is the last line of defense. Actually, no, the 618 is still support, but I'd say worst case scenarios, the 786 absolutely needs to hold for a continuation up. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and yeah, that's what I think about. That's what I think about Pooh. So I hope that made sense. I know that's a lot of information. So again, box needs to break. This is the next target, and then all-time highs. Worst case scenario, the 786 down here needs to hold, and then this resistance is still valid. But if this breaks, then this resistance is invalidated, and we're going to have to redraw the graph for you. So I know that's a lot of information, but I hope that made sense. And then no, that doesn't mean that you have to sell. I think that it means that Coinbase is going to like transfer those coins. I don't know how it works, but look, literally look, I'm on BitDAO. It says BitDAO has migrated 1-to-1, so you're not losing any value. It's a 1-to-1 on Mantle. For more details, you got to check this. So you got to click here, and then you got to look at this. But what is MNT? Yeah, so like, is this on Coinbase? Yeah, BitDAO has migrated to Mantle. Maybe Coinbase will list this too, and then it'll just be a transfer, right? I don't know. You're gonna have to figure that out because I have no idea. You don't have to sell though. I know if you probably got an email. Check your email. Because Coinbase would tell you, like, give you instructions on what to do. Take a look at Moonwell, and then I'll look at Gala for the Gala Moon Boys. So taking a look at Moonwell, yeah, we already know. So super bullish. Previous highs, next target, you're looking at 29 cents. And then in terms of support goes, this is all valid if it stays over the from the current position, if it stays over its support at the 236.382. So you're looking at 3 cents to 4 cents needing to hold. 8 cents is a valid target. Once 8 cents breaks, you're looking at price discovery up to 29 cents. And pretty much it. I mean, when you get a graph like this and the coin's over at 786, you have little to no resistance back to the all-time high, and then price discovery mode. So very simple. Any sort of capitulation down, you're just gonna have to look at your phone and hope that it stays over 3 cents. As long as it stays over 3 cents, which is a really big move down. So I don't even know if it's gonna go that low. You should be fine. So not financial advice, just my opinion. And then Gala for the Gala Moon Boys. I was looking at this on Gemini. I think I already told you. So looking at Gala, yeah, nothing's bullish on Gala on the macro time frame until we break, 3 cents 30. We already knew that. And then in terms of resistance goes, we are in resistance. We are in resistance for the resistance. I like saying that word. Resistance. So we have resistance at 2 cents to 27, so 2 cents 70. Once that breaks, I do put the next target at this previous wick. And then unfortunately, there's no more support for Gala. So the next area and last line of defense is going to be around 1 cent 26. Yeah, so Monica R. So I got in at 3 cents. Thanks. Yeah, you're welcome. And also, so then you don't need to necessarily, you could just wait until it breaks down below 3 cents. We could look at the next target below 3 cents. But the whole point why we look at support is because say you got in at 5 cents, right? And you want a dollar cost average down, you could be like, oh, well, instead of just buying blindly, I know that because crypto me analysis showed me support, I know that we have a next area of support at 3 cents. So I'm going to feel comfortable buying more at 3 cents. But if you already bought at 3 cents, then you don't even need, then we'll like, if it hits 3 cents, we'll redraw the targets and then we'll see how low it can go. And then you could dollar cost average down at that point, given that you're still holding and you're not selling, right? So there's a lot of factors to take into consideration, but I'll keep you updated on it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, is this, I think that's pretty much it. Excuse me. And I did all my watch list videos. And Bitcoin is, how is Bitcoin performing? Oh no. Are we going down? We're going down in the burning ring of fire. Oh no. Oh no. This is so bad. We technically didn't even make a higher high. Look at this on the hourly. Oh, we barely missed it. Oh no. All right, guys. Well, hold your horses. You better buckle up because I think that we're going back down, but hopefully not. I really hope we don't. Oh man, I'm gonna get wrecked. Yeah, Gearhead. So someone added liquidity to the liquidity pool. So look at this. So someone transferred 4 days ago. Hey, what are you doing? Someone added to, yeah, Uniswap V3, DAO Elon. Someone added literally like, yeah, like $6 million. $6 million into locked liquidity. Look at this. Bro. That's crazy. You see that? And then the wall, 22 trillion, 22 trillion. So 4 days ago, 22 trillion, 22 trillion. And then keep in mind that this wallet that it came from, look, this was back in 264 days. So it hasn't been active for almost a year. And then 4 days ago, you can see they added all this money into the liquidity pool. So that's like, this is 1.9 million, 3.1 million, 3.1 million, and 3.1 million. So look at this. It's right here on the Etherscan 4 days ago. So that's crazy, man. We're going to the moon. That's like, what? Like, we need to buy more Dogelon. No, I'm just joking. But this is so exciting. This is so exciting. We're gonna make it. This thing's absolutely crazy. I mean, I know the price doesn't reflect, but honestly, who cares? Well, let's just hold it to 0. This is the wrong Elon coin. Yeah, this is crazy, man. Like 4 days ago, this and did it come from it came from Methuselah, right? Or no? I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at the wallets and trace it, but clearly, yeah, it's right here on the Etherscan. We're looking at it. This 4 days ago, from this wallet, it was transferred into Uniswap V3 into the liquidity pool. 1.9 million, 3.1 million, 3.1 million, 3.1 million. So very, very, very bullish. Let's freaking go. I know, right? Oh, whoa, it's pronounced DAI by the, DAI, by the way, it's a stable coin. Wait, what did I say? Yeah, but you wrote exactly what it is. So I don't know how you pronounce it. DAI? Day? What did I say? It's a stable coin that's bullish. Yeah, what is Elon a stable coin now? How crazy would it be? Dang. Day? It's die, right? Or is it day? I don't know. You're gonna have to tell me that one. But anyway, I am gonna call it a live stream. I think we've been streaming for around almost 2 hours now. I wonder how to check like exactly when I started the live stream. Unfortunately, I don't know. Wait, yeah, I don't know.
It was like 7:30.
Huh?
It was like 7:30.
No, it was like 7:45. That's what it was. Oh, die. It is. Okay, so die. I'm gonna go buy some die. Hey. Alright, we got a tiger. We got a tiger crossing. Yeah, it's a big tiger. All right, guys. I'm gonna call it a live stream. I will see you guys on Monday. Thank you for all the super chats. I really appreciate it. I'm hoping next time we look at Doge on Mars, it's to the moon. I'm gonna edit all the videos I just made, like so 20, 25 videos, whatever it is, and then I'm gonna post them. And then for the guys that are going to Vision's live stream, I'll catch you in Vision's live stream. And then everyone else, I'll be going live on Monday at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Have a great weekend. Thank you for everybody that stopped by. And yeah, have a good weekend. Have a good day. Interesting fact: the guy who made DAI, owner of MakerDAO, mysteriously died. Yeah, of course, mysteriously died on the beach. They probably took all his money, but I don't know. I'm not like conspiracy theories 2.0. I don't know, but anyway, yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you later, Gearhead, and I'll catch you in Vision's live stream. So again, thanks for everyone, and peace out. Outro. Start outro. No, I need to make one.